AI is advancing at breakneck speed, and it's changing the way we work with the cloud. These advances are making workloads more complex, which means businesses need to update their infrastructure to stay competitive and improve security. Azure Essentials is a solution designed by Microsoft to help you navigate this changing landscape by supporting your cloud journey from start to finish. In this episode, we'll explore Azure Essentials and dive into some fantastic learning resources to help you get started. Welcome back to the Azure Essentials Show. I'm your host, Aaron Stark, and I'm super excited to have some returning guests today from Azure Marketing, my colleagues Kailyn Sylvester and Pennie. Good to have you back.
Excited to be here.
Thanks for having us, Aaron.
Absolutely. Now today, in what may be our show's most on-brand episode ever, we'll be discussing the essentials of Azure, or more specifically, a comprehensive set of resources designed to help your workloads for security, reliability, and ongoing performance. Basically, everything you need to know to improve your projects on Azure, whether you're starting fresh or optimizing existing projects with or without AI, Azure Essentials can be your ultimate guide on this journey. But let's start with the basics and hear directly from the source. Kailyn, can you kick things off by explaining what Azure Essentials is all about?
Yes, so think of Azure Essentials as your Swiss Army knife of all things cloud computing. It brings together Microsoft's best practices, product experiences, reference architectures, and a whole range of skilling resources all into a single destination so you can get the most out of your investment on Azure. And it's not one size fits all because Azure Essentials offers detailed guidance as a resource kit that's tailored to your specific business scenarios.
That's fantastic. And I love that it's so tailored and flexible. You mentioned a resource kit. Are we able to check that out?
Absolutely. So first, you'll want to head to the Azure Essentials webpage, which is the gateway to all the resources we've been talking about. And from there, you can access the resource kit. Here you'll find the different business scenarios for both new and existing Azure projects. Choose the one that best matches your business need. I'm going to select Innovate with AI platform as an example. Within each scenario, you can see how Azure Essentials lays out the 3 common stages in your cloud journey. The guidance and resources here are structured to align with these 3 phases. Just click on any of the links within these phases. This is the readiness and foundation phase for the AI scenario, and you'll get detailed information that's tailored specifically to your business need. And on the right here, you'll see an example of how the skilling guidance is available for each scenario as well.
Got it. This is incredible. Thank you for showing us this resource kit, Kailyn. And speaking of skilling guidance, Megan, I hear you have even more fresh learning resources for us today. What can we expect from these?
Absolutely, Aaron. We are excited about 3 new skilling plans on Microsoft Learn that are a core part of the Azure Essentials offering and resource toolkit. These plans have specific business scenarios like resiliency, security, cost optimization, and in essence, they're a curated set of modules for comprehensive skilling, all designed to help you master aspects of your Azure and AI environments. Each skilling plan on Learn has clearly outlined learning outcomes and milestones that mark your progress. And once you start a skilling plan, you'll also get emails to keep you moving through the plan. And then each plan ends with recommended next steps.
Got it. These plans on Microsoft Learn sound like a goldmine for anyone looking to build skills on Azure. So let's dive into each one. Megan, can you tell us about the first plan?
Yes, first I want to highlight the Azure Essentials Overview Skilling Plan that covers the essentials of improving Azure and AI projects and optimizing costs. This plan gives a great view of how to analyze Azure environments and improve them by leveraging tools and frameworks, including the FinOps framework to help with managing financial investments, the Cloud Adoption Framework to help in moving to the cloud, well-architected framework designed for optimization from the start, as well as tools like Azure Advisor, Microsoft Cost Management, and AI Studio. This one is a great plan to get started with all the essentials of optimizing your Azure environments and workloads.
I see what you did there, essentials. A great starting point for sure. And what does the second plan cover?
Yes, absolutely. So the second is focused on proactive resiliency, which is making sure your Azure and AI projects are robust, secure, and performing at their best. It has a multi-zonal and networking focus, and this one is a much deeper, more technical, comprehensive skilling plan. Think L200, L300 in terms of college courses. You'll learn how to improve the resiliency of your cloud architecture and workloads while optimizing your cloud costs. We do hear a lot of demand from customers for skilling in the area of resiliency.
I mean, I can only imagine. It definitely sounds like a must-have plan for anyone working on existing workloads. And what about the third and final plan?
The third skilling plan goes into a deeper, more comprehensive skilling on FinOps and Azure pricing. This one's all about helping you get the most value out of your cloud and AI investments. It covers resources like Azure Advisor, our strategic pricing offers on Azure, and FinOps tools and best practices. Now here, in addition to training modules, there are other types of documentation or docs on Microsoft Learn. We've got click-through labs for you to experience the tools and ebooks. So diving into these skilling resources and modules, you'll learn how cloud pricing works and how to estimate the total cost of ownership when deploying your projects in the cloud.
This is so great, Megan. Thank you so much for sharing. And like you mentioned, these plans really seem to offer a comprehensive way to learn the ins and outs of everything that is Azure Essentials. But before we wrap, Megan, are there any other exciting learning opportunities on the horizon or that we haven't covered today?
Yes. As of December 2024, we have a new workshop, part of our virtual training day events on the essentials of Azure. And you'll see new dates scheduled on our events page. I highly recommend that you register for this valuable workshop.
Incredible. Thank you so much to both of you, Megan and Kailyn, for returning to the show and providing us with all of the Azure Essentials resources and insights today. We have links for each of the skilling plans, the resource kit, and more. You can find them all in the episode description. If you enjoyed today's episode, leave us a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe to stay in the loop. Until next time, keep innovating with Azure, and thanks for tuning into the Azure Essentials Show.